Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter, which is down here on this Amica washing machine. This specific Amica has a model number AWI510LP. So down here on the bottom, you've got this little door, and you just need a screwdriver or a knife or something like that to pop it open, and it just comes off like that. Inside then, you've got this plastic handle, and that's the filter for the washing machine sump, and the pump is in behind that, and so we're getting some water coming out there. It looks clear. And the filter itself looks really clean. That's pretty clean. There's a little tiny bit of fluff in it. A little bit in there we can take out. And a piece here, but no big deal. Looking inside, you can see the impeller blades in the back, and with the screwdriver I'm just checking that they're going around okay, and if they are, then the pump should work fine. And so here there's a little plastic sticking out piece that engages along the bottom with a groove. So offer it up and screw it in. As I'm screwing it in, I'll just tell you that whenever you're draining these things out, typically you'll be inside in your house, and so you don't want this water going on the floor. With this one, there really isn't much you can do other than either lift the washing machine outside or lift it up and put a tray under it, or just get a lot of towels and cloths and things like that to soak it up. Then you just put these little tabs back in the bottom where they line, snap it shut. That's it. That's how you do the filter on this Amica washing machine and pretty much every other type of washing machine out there. Thanks for watching. See you later.